Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.4 question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Number A is 369 divided by dash is equal to 369. Right? What will the value? Here you can say that the value 369 divided by, we know that 369 divided by 1, that is question number A. If we solve it in this way, that A is 369 divided by dash is equal to 369 is equal to 369. That means if we divide 369 by 1, we'll get 369, right? Therefore 369 divided by 1, the answer will be 1 in this case. Here you see the answer will be 1. Now question number B. What is question number B? Question number B is, you see, question number B is minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. I will find, here you see, that is minus 75 divided by, if we divide this number by plus 75, 75 divided by 75 is 1, and minus divided by plus is minus, right? Therefore the answer is plus 75, right? Therefore the answer is plus 75. Minus 75 divided by plus 75 or 75 gives us minus 1, right? Now question number C is, here you see question number C. Question number C is minus 206 divided by dash is equal to 1, right? Here you can write that minus 206 divided by minus 206, because minus divided by minus is plus, that is plus, and if we cut it by 1 by 1, that is 1. Therefore we can say that minus 206 divided by minus 206 gives the result as 1. Now question number D is minus 87 divided by dash is equal to 87. Here you see minus 87 divided by dash gives us 87. Therefore we know that minus divided by minus is plus, that is if we divide this by minus 1, then minus will cut and gives plus, that is plus 87. Therefore minus 87 divided by minus 1 gives us 87, right? Question number D is, in C we are getting 1. In C, minus 206 divided by minus 206 divided by minus 206 gives us 1. In this case minus 87 divided by minus 1 gives us 87, right? Now question number E. Now we solve question number E. Question number E is, now question number E is dash divided by 1 is equal to minus 87, right? Therefore if we divide minus 87, if we divide minus 87 by 1, the answer will be 87, and minus divided by plus is minus. Therefore this is minus 87, right? Next one is minus 87. This is minus 87, right? Now question number F is question number F. Here what you will get in question number F, you see question number F is dash divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. Dash divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. That means if we divide dash by 48, answer is 1, that means it will be 48, and here you see the sign is minus, therefore it will be minus. That means it is minus 48. Minus 48 divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. The F is minus 48, right? F is minus 48. In F it is minus 48. Minus 48. Right? Now question number F, question number G. Here G is, you find here, the value of G is 20 divided by dash is equal to minus 2. So we can say that 20 divided by 10 is 2, right? And if we divide this number by minus 10, minus plus divided by minus is minus, and it is 2. Therefore, this is minus 10. G, the value is minus 10. Here the value will be minus 10. 20 divided by minus 10, it gives us minus 2. Now H is question number H. What is question number H? You see, question number H is dash divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. That means dash divided by 4. If we write 12 divided by 4, that is gives us 3, and here is minus, that means it will be minus 12, because minus divided by plus is minus, therefore it is be minus 12. Minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3, right? This is minus 12, right? The value of H will be minus 12, right? Therefore the answer is here is minus 12. This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 1.4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.